Meaning of dumbing down.
Dumbing down.
Dumbing down.
Dumbing down.
Dumbing down. Dumbing down refers to the process of simplifying or lowering the intellectual level of something, such as education or media content, in order to make it more accessible or palatable to a wider audience. The result of dumbing down can be a reduction in the quality or depth of the material being presented, leading to a lack of understanding and critical thinking in the audience. This can have negative consequences for society, such as a decrease in overall knowledge and the ability to solve complex problems.